Hola, bienvenidos. For those of you that don't know me, mi nombre es Shayla. And yeah, hi guys. So I'm taking a Spanish class right now, so I'm trying to, integrate some Spanish into my life so I can practice speaking and stuff. But yeah, I'm Shayla for those of you that don't know me, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a standard makeup video and a slight review of a palette that I just bought. So yeah, let's get right to it. So since the palette was only $18, I had some speculations. But I read some reviews and I was like, it's $18 and I really don't like to waste money because my theory is beauty on a budget. So I went ahead and bought it. And so far I really like it. Some of the colors I find are hard to blend. Maybe it's just the lighter colors like this yellow here. I felt like when I put it on with my finger, or a lot of the colors, if I put it on with my finger, it went a lot smoother and more pigment. But a lot of the colors are really good. So overall, I'd say it's a pretty good buy. It has a wide range. For only $18, it has 35 colors. So I think it's a really good buy, personally. So you get two highlight shades right here. This one's a bit of a bluish, greenish highlight. This is just a regular iridescent. And then you have a darkening black shade in the middle for you to, darken up any colors you use. So yeah, overall it's pretty great. I like it. So it has a humongous mirror at the top, which I find great since I wear glasses and I need to be really up close to see what the heck I'm doing. So I think it's pretty great. So overall, es muy pigmented, I think. It's really great. Over some of the colors, you gotta use your finger to get the most pigment, I think, just because they don't blend out as smoothly. That's just my opinion, but overall, I think it's about a 90. Maybe 95, so I think you should get it. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the makeup tutorial part. See you guys at the end of the video.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine. you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through. In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
my camera died, so I went ahead and put my lipstick on, and I used my NYX Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken, as well as my Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip in Cinnamon Toast. So yeah, this is the final look. It's a nice pink ombre type thing. I don't know, it's just like a lighter pink right in here, and the hot pink around the corner, the outer corners and the outer edges. So I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. So overall, this palette is probably a 95, maybe 98. The more I use it, the more it grows on me. So I think it's a really good buy for 18 bucks. You really can't beat that for the pigment in the palette, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and leave me a big thumbs up. And yeah, be sure to share, comment, tell your friends. Alright, so yeah, adios you guys. Thanks for watching.